Meaning of detonator.
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 Detonator. A detonator is a device used to trigger or initiate an explosive material, such as dynamite or C4. When activated, the detonator will rapidly release a large amount of energy, causing the explosive substance to rapidly decompose and release an enormous amount of heat, light, gas, and pressure. The result of a successful detonation can be catastrophic, resulting in destruction of nearby structures and potential loss of life. Therefore, detonators must be handled with extreme care by trained professionals, and their use is tightly regulated to prevent accidents and intentional harm.